when you have a modulus on both sides, okay, now this can be an equals or it can be an inequality, it doesn't matter. The easiest thing to do is square both sides, okay, because when you square both sides, then that gets rid of the modular sign. So I'm going to square this, and I'm going to square this. Okay, so to square it out, you either do x plus 3 by x plus 3, first number, second bracket, or square the first, product of the two multiplied by 2, and square the last. And same thing over here, square the first, product of the 2, which is minus 21 multiplied by 2, and square the last. You okay with that? Now, all of this comes over there, so I'm going to have 8x squared minus 48x, 49 take 9 plus 40. Now, 8 goes into each one of those, doesn't it? So I can divide that all by 8. And this is what I have. X squared minus 6x plus 5 is greater than 0. How do you solve this? It's a quadratic. Solve it equal to 0, then do what? You can do that to solve it, but your test is tomorrow. Quadratic greater than 0. Equal it to 0, then what? Let's equal it to 0 and see. Solving it equal to 0. Great. So I can either do factorize or minus b. What are the factors of 5? 5 and 1. So it's going to be x minus 5, x minus 1. Split your page. X is 5, x is 1. What now? Graph it. It's an inequality here. A quadratic inequality. I solve it equal to 0, I draw my graph, and then I figure out. So, looking at this, is that U-shaped or N-shaped? U. I'm going for 1 and 5, and it's a U. Now, this here, is it greater than 0 or less than 0? Greater than 0. Greater than means above. Lovely. Above x-axis. No. So above the x-axis is all, this is below in there, so it must be all of this. So my two answers would be what? In relation to 1, is it on the left or on the right? Left. Less. Less than 1. And in relation to 5, is it on the right or on the left? Right. So that means greater than 5.